Are wheel spacers dangerous? You might have come across this question while looking for ways to improve your vehicle's performance or appearance. The use of wheel spacers often stirs up a bit of controversy, sparking debates among vehicle enthusiasts. It's time we dive into this topic and separate fact from fiction. Let's uncover the truth behind wheel spacers. Before we delve into the safety aspect, let's understand what wheel spacers are. Wheel spacers are essentially the personal trainers of your vehicle. They're designed to move the wheels outward from the vehicle hubs, reducing the offset. This not only improves the stance and stability of your vehicle but also allows for fitment of larger tires. They're like the secret sauce that brings the whole meal together. Now that we know what wheel spacers are, let's talk about their safety. The big question, are wheel spacers dangerous? The simple answer is no, not if they are properly installed and are of good quality. You've probably heard tales of wheel bolts bending or breaking due to spacers, but let's debunk that myth. In truth, wheel spacers themselves do not cause bolt failure. They are as safe as a wheel without spacers when correctly fitted. So, we see that wheel spacers are not inherently dangerous. But what about the quality of wheel spacers? As with most products, the quality of wheel spacers can vary greatly. But what makes a good wheel spacer? Consider hub-centric designs which fit your vehicle more effectively and securely than universal spacers. Beware of cheap, mass-produced cast spacers, often made from inferior materials. Instead, consider the superiority of forged wheel spacers. For instance, Bono's forged wheel spacers undergo continuous forging, creating a uniform grain structure that absorbs more forces without breaking. Quality matters. Always opt for high-quality wheel spacers for the safety of you and your passengers. So, are wheel spacers dangerous? Not when correctly installed and of high quality. They are as safe as wheels without spacers, ensuring a secure fit and a great look. Avoid cheap, inferior products and opt for quality, like forged wheel spacers. Remember, safety first. Choose quality, choose right, and drive safe.